All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about XRP. You guys are enjoying the updates. The feedback has been absolutely amazing. Continue supporting, and you will see a continuation of these updates that you guys enjoy. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, as we are going into Monday morning, you're starting to see the market once again tumble back towards the downside. And I've been talking over the course of the last few days that it's not a time to get super excited right now as far as the market is concerned, especially with Bitcoin. If you're looking at Bitcoin right now, it is still obviously in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but we don't have enough buying pressure for the price of Bitcoin to actually push back above this key resistance. But we'll touch base on the price a little later. I really want to talk about this right here, which I found very interesting. And as you know, there's a lot of buzz around BRICS and Ripple. And we're going to kind of dissect this. I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys on this. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And of course, also let me know in the comments what you personally think. So you can see BRICS drives gold prices to an all-time high as nations ditch the US dollar. So the price of gold has skyrocketed to a new all-time high, in part thanks to the effort of the BRICS bloc. The alliance members have been key investors in the precious metal over the past year, as their new currency is expected to be backed by the metal. In 2024, China has leveled up its investments in gold, and other BRICS nations have begun following suit to push the initiative of ditching the US dollar. And this is insane. You are seeing gold skyrocketing right now, and it's not a secret. Usually what happens to gold, if you know economics, gold tends to move up in price when there is a lot of geopolitical things that people are worried about, or even the financial market uncertainty. And that is kind of happening. If you're ditching the US dollar, that does raise uncertainty, and you are actually seeing, of course, gold skyrocketing because China is picking it up. It's been confirmed, and as you can see in this article, it says other BRICS nations are also following the suit. Anyways, you can see gold surges to a fresh all-time high after 2 weeks of extremely choppy trading, as both finally imposed their will. Taiwan, a New York-based independent metals trader, said. The 2,500 hurdle is likely to fall soon, though intention will shortly focus on the Fed, Mr. Powell's speech at Jackson Hole a week from today to provide directions for the more detailed outlook on the upcoming rate cuts, which obviously has been a discussion in the markets right now, that the rate cuts potentially in September, but we'll see what happens in the next week to come. But you can see BRICS continues to drive gold in efforts to ditch the US dollar. So reports suggest that BRICS could back their new currency with gold and not the US dollar or local currencies. The alliance aims to get back to the gold standards and maintain a multi-polar world for all trades and transactions. The World Gold Council reported that BRICS has been the largest buyer of gold since 2022, and the bloc have been accumulating tons worth of the precious metals in their reserves. So, one thing that you want to really look at it is this: in the worst fears for the US dollar, there is growing speculation that the country is heading towards a recession. Odds are rising for this to occur. According to some experts, a recession would only weaken the US dollar more, strengthening BRICS on the flip side. So pretty much what they're saying is, that the US dollar is falling down, and with this news, of course, you're seeing some big nations actually stop using the US dollar. What is that going to what kind of impact is that going to really have on the US dollar, like the USD currency? And people are saying it's going to get more worsen. So are the riskier assets going to go higher? And speaking about the riskier assets, we need to realize that if the rate cuts happen, I do personally also think that gold might actually retrace, because riskier assets then tend to be more attractive for investor. And I think crypto can pop off that time, especially that move that a lot of people are anticipating. But let's see what happens. But as you guys know, this is something that a lot of people are talking about, which is regarding the BRICS plan new payment system. Is Ripple adoption incoming? So I think in October is when they are set to announce, their new payment system, and there is a massive buzz going around that, Ripple is going to partner, with BRICS. And again, let's kind of look into it, and I'm going to share my personal thoughts. So BRICS strategic payment system, and I really want you guys to realize how big of a deal this really would be. Again, this is all speculation right now. In October is when we officially find out, but you could see in response to mounting Western sanction and a drive for more economic autonomy, BRICS is set on deploying its own payment system. This new system, designed to function independently of SWIFT, aims to streamline transactions between member nations without relying on the US dollar. It's expected to play a crucial role in the alliance's trade dealings, offering a significant alternative for financial transactions. And you can see Ripple's potential role in BRICS financial strategy. And again, this is potential, not confirmed. Like, what would happen? What kind of role could it play? If anyone's telling you this is confirmed completely, let me tell you, this is absolutely not confirmed. If it were confirmed, I think that would be a huge deal and it would be trending everywhere. It's just pure speculation right now because they are obviously looking for a new payment system. So obviously, as you know, what Ripple core value is, what it does, people are going to come and speculate that. And right now, it's pure speculation. You can see adding a twist to the BRICS strategy report suggests that, adding an intriguing twist to the BRICS strategy report suggests that XRP cryptocurrency associated with Ripple might play a significant role in the alliance's new financial infrastructure. The use of Ripple in cross-border transactions is under consideration, potentially transforming the landscape of the international payments. Known for its speedy transactions times and low cost, Ripple could become a favored option for the bloc. Let's see. Like I said, it's a little too early to be getting excited about this news. Of course, you can realize what kind of, advantage that would be. But again, it's not confirmed. And one thing, you hear so much false information. It's not obviously going to be XRP. If they were to use this, I think it would be RLUSD, which still will, obviously based off of speculation, the connection that XRP has to Ripple and XRP Ledger. I think this will get more speculators excited on XRP itself. And XRP is used on the XRP Ledger, if you know the technical. So, it will have a positive impact. I'm very confident if BRICS were to use Ripple and the RLUSD, the stablecoin. Again, nothing is confirmed. In October we find out, but I would love to know your thoughts down below regarding this. And you can see recent developments hint that BRICS nations might incorporate Ripple into their payment system to facilitate smoother financial exchanges. This move aligns with the BLOC broader aim to reducing reliance on traditional finance systems and boosting economic cooperation among its members. If the integration happens, it could be a major impact on the cryptocurrency market, possibly causing a spike in XRP's value. And again, it goes unsaid. It goes absolutely unsaid. But let's take a look at briefly as to what is happening with the price of XRP right now. So number one, I did kind of go over a Bitcoin's price. So you can see Bitcoin is pretty much holding at the neckline, this very key support level, but you want to see the price of Bitcoin hold within the 23.6. If it's not able to hold in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, then yes, we can be prepared for the price of Bitcoin to fall lower. That's just the reality. So far it's holding around here, but as of now, in terms of me being a bull in the short term for the cryptocurrency market, that's not the case, despite the fact that we're actually in a bull market. I need the price of Bitcoin to go to $64,000 for me to get excited, and obviously we are not at that level, and we're not even above the key resistance, obviously a psychological price as well, around 60K. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with dominance. So, dominance is approaching 57%, so it's increasing once again. And, XRP actually is holding quite well right now, to be quite frank with you. Obviously, you did see that retest just a few hours ago at 58 cents, but obviously a rejection just doesn't have enough buying pressure right now, believe it or not. And that tells you a lot. That tells you retail, in terms of like the broader market, is still not paying attention to XRP. And as I've mentioned in my last update, there's still a lot of people that are waiting. Believe it or not, there's still a lot of people that are waiting to kind of hear whether or not SEC is going to come back and, appeal the ruling regarding the long case that's been going on. So, time is going to tell. I think this week we could hear very interesting things, more announcements, but let me know your personal thoughts down below regarding this. Do you think that BRICS will use Ripple as a new payment system, or do you think that won't happen? That's what I want to know from you guys. And also let me know what are your projections regarding XRP's price and how much is it going to be. What key importance will XRP as a native token will play for the XRP ledger once the RLUSD comes out? Let me know your thoughts down below. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.